How to use YouTube TV. YouTube TV is a popular live TV streaming service that gives you access to over 100 channels, on-demand content, and Cloud DVR functionality. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use YouTube TV. Number 1. Sign up for YouTube TV. Step number 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Go to tv.youtube.com or download the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, mobile device, or streaming device. Step number 2. Create an account. Click on Try it free to start your free trial or sign up with your Google account. You'll need to enter some personal details, including your payment information, even if you're using the free trial. Step number 3, choose your plan. YouTube TV typically offers one base plan that includes over 100 channels, including popular networks like ABC, NBC, ESPN, TBS, and others. You can also add premium channels like HBO, Showtime, or Stars as add-ons. Number 2, set up YouTube TV on your device. Step number 1, install the YouTube TV app. You can watch YouTube TV on a variety of devices, including smart TVs such as Samsung LG Vizio, streaming devices such as Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Chromecast, mobile devices, and web browsers. Simply go to your device's app store, such as Google Play or Apple App Store, and search for YouTube TV to install the app. Step number 2, log in. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in using the Google account you used to subscribe. Number 3, navigate the interface. Step number 1, browse channels and content. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen, where you can browse channels and shows in the Live tab, access on-demand content and recorded shows, and explore sports and news sections. Step number 2, customize your experience. You can personalize the content by adding your favorite channels, shows, or sports teams. Use the search feature to find specific content or channels. Number 4, watch live TV. Step number 1, tune into live channels. To watch live TV, simply go to the Live tab on the home screen, browse through available channels, or use the guide to see a schedule of upcoming programming. Select the channel to start watching live TV. Step number 2, pause and rewind. You can pause, rewind, and fast forward live TV content using the Cloud DVR functionality. Your recorded shows will be saved in the library. Number 5, use Cloud DVR. Step number 1, record shows. When watching live TV, click on the record icon to save the show to your DVR. You can record live TV programs, sports events, movies, and more. Step number 2, manage DVR. Go to your library to view all your saved recordings. You can watch, delete, or schedule future recordings from here.